Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Vercel. Visit the Vercel website by typing vercel.com into your browser's address bar. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button in the upper. You will be presented with several sign up options. Choose to sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account for easy integration. If you prefer to create an account with an email address, select the Continue with Email option. Enter your email address in the prompted field and click Continue. Check your email for a verification message from Vercel and follow the instructions to verify your address. Once your email is verified, fill in the required fields, including your name and preferred password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then agree to the conditions. Click the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once registered, you will be directed to your Vercel dashboard. From your dashboard, you can start creating your first project. To do this, click the New Project button. You will be prompted to connect your Git repository. Select the repository you want to deploy by connecting to your preferred Git provider. After selecting the repository, Vercel will automatically detect the framework and settings. Review the suggested settings and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, click the Deploy button to begin the deployment process. You will be notified once your project has been successfully deployed. Your high-performance UI web app is now live and accessible via the provided URL. Explore Vercel's features to optimize your web app further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.